AI automation and efficiency boost. Today's businesses are looking for ways to streamline their operations to maximize efficiency and cut down on costs. And with the power of AI automation, this is now more possible than ever. With the help of AI, businesses can free up their employees' time and energy to focus on more complex tasks, while AI software takes care of the mundane and repetitive tasks. AI-powered chatbots can handle simple customer service queries, freeing up human agents to deal with more challenging issues. AI algorithms can detect fraud and prevent it before it happens. And in the medical field, AI-enabled machine learning can analyze vast amounts of medical data and make predictions that could help doctors diagnose illnesses earlier and with more precision. AI automation isn't just more efficient, it's also more accurate. Machines can work around the clock without needing breaks or rest, reducing the potential for human error. In manufacturing, AI robots can perform complex and repetitive tasks consistently, upping production lines' output and efficiency. But it's not just businesses that can benefit from AI automation. Governments and even nonprofits can use AI automation to maximize efficiency and minimize costs. For example, AI software can predict natural disasters, facilitate disaster response, and even help monitor endangered species. AI automation is revolutionizing the way we work, making processes more efficient, more economical, and more accurate than ever before. By implementing AI technology, businesses can remain competitive and agile and best serve their customers. Thank you for joining us today as we explored the power of AI in revolutionizing efficiency. Please subscribe to our channel for further updates on this and other exciting topics.